Okay, I'm back. Hit the stop button on accident when I was picking up the phone, but here's what I'm gonna do for this speaker. It's as far as I got with the stubby, but here's what I got. A ratchet with a Phillips head on the end. It's an L shape. This is gonna be awesome. This should work perfect. Hell yeah. I just gotta make sure I don't bust my windshield now. Hell yeah. That is in, and it is not coming out either. So, with them in, they're not wired in yet, but with them in and all ready to go, I can put the dash pad back in. So we're going to do that now. It's kind of falling apart, but oh well. Like I said, I will eventually get me a new one. I just gotta make sure I don't stab my speaker. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it just needs to be popped into place. It's in place over here. Oh man, it makes it bulge up. Glad I didn't get one with the real big tweeter. Oh man, I might hollow them holes out, I don't know. Might leave it like that, because I don't want no one to break into my truck, steal my shit. So, I didn't know y'all were pointed straight at the sky, but we're going to put the dash back together now. With it, screws that came out of it. This is coming off. I'll have to glue it back on. Well, this one I can get to readily right here. To put the deals on. I already put the deals on the other one. That one's not so easy to get to. I'll just have to keep that blowed out. If not, might hollow the rest of that disintegrating urethane out of the holes and just let the speakers go exposed. Have to get a grill for them. But that one's in. Okay, that one's in. Not gonna put the bezel on just yet until I get the wires ran. So we're gonna do that now. And just like I had it before, the black is striped. I mean, the negative is striped. Just like it was on the back ones. Then later today, I gotta mow and weed eat the yard. I might just mow and weed eat tomorrow, I don't know. But I gotta do that later. So there probably won't be no more videos today. Okay, that one's on. Got a bee buzzing around me. You go away, fat fucker. Yeah, on the wire, the stripe is indicated as positive, but that's wrong. Well, now I see what he's attracted to. A can. Go find your can somewhere else, you fat fuck. Go, go, go. Don't sting me on your way out either. Sorry for my cussing. Just like we did before, we're going to go stripe to stripe. Okay, that one's in. These connectors come with the speakers, so that's why I'm using them. Now my next task is I got to figure out how much wire I need to go from there to there comfortably, and there to there, which I'll have enough. I should anyway. So See you on the next vid.